Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to start the indexing process now. First, make sure Windows Search is running because Outlook relies on it. Open Outlook and navigate. File, Options, Search, then Indexing Options. Once there, check that Microsoft Outlook appears in the included locations. This tells you what's being indexed. If it's missing, add your Outlook data file. While you're here, note the reported number of indexed items and whether any files are currently queued for indexing. This helps you track progress. Once you've confirmed Outlook is included, rebuild the index to resolve corruption or missing items. Click Advanced, then Rebuild. You should close heavy programs so CPU and disk I/O prioritize indexing. This speeds the job and reduces timeouts. Make sure Outlook stays open, then watch indexing status from search tools to see remaining items. If you have multiple mail profiles or large PSD/OSD files, expect the rebuild to take longer. Remember, after rebuilding, verify indexing by searching for specific phrases, senders, or recent dates so you can confirm coverage. If searches still miss items, run the Windows Search troubleshooter and then restart Outlook. Make sure your OSD/PSD is not corrupted. If problems persist, recreate your Outlook profile or run an office repair. These steps refresh settings and often fix lingering issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if indexing stalls, temporarily disable antivirus file scanning for Outlook data files, then re-enable it when done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.